everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it. Either way, if you are not currently subscribed to the Seasoned Beauties community, by all means, hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, the reason for this video on today, we will be opening, ignore the condition of the box, we'll talk about that in a second, the April Allure Beauty Box. Now, I'm going to give you the disclaimer right off the bat. I did open this box already. Usually I wait to open it with you. However, I received the box damaged and I wanted to make sure that none of the products were damaged. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with the Allure Beauty Box, this is a monthly subscription box where we do receive anywhere from 5 to 7 products. They're usually sample size. Sometimes we get deluxe. And there have been quite a few times lately where we have received some full-size products in it as well. Now, the actual price of this box is, or this service, is $15 per month. However, down below, I've got a code for you. And if you go ahead and subscribe from there, your first box will be $10. We will talk about, at the end of this video, what the gift is for signing up in the month of May. You're gonna love it. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right in, find out what's what. Now, I know you already know. You know how I know that? Because I did a spoilers video and I showed you everything that was going to be in this box, unless it was a variation item. One of which I'm extremely unhappy about. But anyway, so here is our description pamphlet and information booklet for this month. And this right here is the lovely Carly Bible. And she is the one who helped to curate this month's box. And it is called a Masterful Selection. So, as we've talked about previously, they've gone to this lovely packaging. Okay, lovely reusable bags. And I'm a little excited right now. Do I want to talk about it now? Do I want to wait? Nope, can't wait. Guess what? I told y'all that the reason I got the Allure box in the first place was this right here. And this was my free gift this month. So you know what that means. Okay, moving right along. Now, so the first item we have is by Natasha Denona. Remember we talked about this right here? It's that single eyeshadow. I will list the shade on the screen. The packaging is a pretty bomb. The color, even more so. Look at that. Let's just go ahead and swatch it. Oh, beautiful. Nice and creamy. Look at that. Beautiful. I absolutely love that. Now, our reference says here, I'm no stranger to Natasha Denona. The makeup artist's shadows are out of this world. I love that I can put one on in the morning, and by the end of the night, it's still perfect. Enough said. I'm just going to tell you. Enough said. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price on this item is $27. And yes, this is a full size. And it says you can order it at natashadenona.com. And we do have a promo code to get 30% off until June the 15th to use this coupon code. Nice. Okay, that is item number 1. Item number 2, I received a variation item. That one is the Luxie brush. And remember, we talked about the fact that Carly Bible said she likes this brush because it can be used for multiple purposes, and she uses it to do her contour. Okay, I will link that video up top so that if you want to go back and hear all the fine details, you can find it there. Okay, so that is item number 2, and that will also let you know exactly what the manufacturer suggested retail price of that brush is. Now, moving right along, the next item that we received is by the company Briogeo. And this one is Farewell Frizz. This too was a variation item, so you can go back and check up on that one as well. This says it has a creamy, pretty floral fragrance right out of the tube. Okay, yes, I'm opening this one because I want to know exactly what it smells like. Oh, okay, they're right. They're absolutely right. That is a nice floral scent, not overpowering. So yes, I do definitely agree. That one is a pretty floral fragrance right out of the tube, and the scent lingers for hours after you've blow dried your hair. It is a wonderful frizz fighter over a leave-in conditioner. It says, but once you get the proportions right, it smooths hair for days. The manufacturer suggested retail price for the full-size product is $24, and it can be purchased at briogeohair.com. And we also have a 15% off coupon code. The next item that I have, which I will be passing along, and we talked about this as well, that is, I really don't even want to try to say this name. Vita Liberata Phenomenal Organic Tan Infused Cloths. No, I will not be using these, but I will be passing them along, and I will ask my daughter-in-law her thoughts, and I will share them with you. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price for a pack of 8 is $25. For a pack of 16, it's $39. And it says it can be purchased at Ulta.com. And we do have a coupon code for 20% off. Yes, they truly hooked us up with the coupon codes this month. The last item, it's called Le Splash Architect Waterproof Slim Eyeliner. I've already received this previously. Didn't get to use it. My daughter absolutely loved it. I'm sure she'll be loving this one too, because as soon as she sees it, it will go missing. However, manufacturer suggested retail price on this which is the full-size product, is $14, and it can be purchased at lesplashcosmetics.com. She loves it. She said that it's such a nice fine point that it draws a wing to perfection. Okay. Plus, it's great for detail work. So, that is that item. Now, I'm so excited about this again. This is the Juvia's Place Custom Eyeshadow Palette. And this one says you can do one swipe over your lid and go, or quickly buff the edges out for a magnificent smoky eye look. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this palette is $20, and it can be purchased at juviasplace.com. Now, I'm not going to open it because this may very well end up in a giveaway. So I will take the first one and we will see exactly what these shades look like. First of all, the packaging is phenomenal. These are the shades, and the name of the palette is The Nubian by Juvia's. I'm telling you, her shades are just so nice and creamy and very highly pigmented. So we're going to go ahead and swatch it. Look at that. Just beautiful. So these are the contents of the April 2019 Allure Beauty Box, and our packaging this month is clear. Last month was white, month before was red, and the month before that was black. So they are truly keeping us well stocked. And of course, I'm sure you can find something else to use this for. Now, I will tell you, this is actually a standard size brush. These brushes will fit in here nicely. So you have another location to keep your brushes. You can have one for your eye brushes, another for your face brushes, those types of things. But I'm sure you can find good use for it. Now, I do want to let you know, I'm going to give you some spoilers for the month of May. So this month's box gave us a scratch off so that we could find out what would be in the May box. Now I'm going to try and get it nice and close. Okay. These are the products that are coming in the month of May. And our theme for the month of May will be Beauty Innovations, 7 Game Changers. Everyone will receive Allure by Jason Co. Erase Cleansing, Exfoliating, and Brightening Powder. We will get that in a full size Larizzi lip gloss in the shade Vibe, and a Water Bank Moisture Cream. Now, we do have some variant items as well. That will be the Saint Tropez Self Tanning Purity Bronzing Wet Gel and Applicator Mitt. Okay, I'm not even going to comment. And the next one will be the Youth Revolution Radiance Cream and Mask. Or another anti-frizz. Oh, this is interesting. It's a hair sheet. So I will, of course, add a much better shot of these items for the month of May so that we can check them out. And it does say that the box value for next month is over $60. Not bad when you're spending $15. Now, in addition, I'm excited for you. If you've been toying with the idea of becoming a subscriber of the Allure Beauty Box. For the month of May, when you sign up, use the code down below. Not only will your first box be $10, but the new member gift will be Juice Beauty Nutrient Moisturizer in a full size. And you know what? The manufacturer's suggested retail price for that item is $48. Enough said, huh? Okay, so May would be another perfect month to choose to become a part of the Allure Beauty Box family. So I do hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please take a moment and like, comment, and most of all, subscribe. And always remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.